Hey YouTube, BryceMaster37 here. So I'm making another YouTube video with me and my friends' incredible, somewhat incredible bow. Honestly, I can't blame you guys if you're like personally mortified by what you're witnessing at this particular moment. Honestly, I am too. Like, I wanted to do was spawn in my giant jumble ship, which makes it to the end by itself. But then, of course, they had to spawn in a battleship cruiser, another battleship cruiser, and some sort of a tower. And that created just this monstrosity known as a boat. And somehow we're celebrating. Wait. We have like almost all the people in the server right now. This is slow. Like, really slow. Well, probably it'll have to do with him reversing thrusters. I don't know when this guy's gonna reset, but probably gonna be soon. Look at the expression on his face. You can just see that he's so happy to be on this cruise. Yeah, totally. Bye. Bye. Wow, he made a terrible choice. Press F to pay respects. Okay, well, we're making progress. Progress is, I guess, a way to describe this. I'm just gonna sit down here with this arm in my face. This is, yeah. I'm very laggy. Let's go to private server. In a few minutes. Well, actually, I might do it right now because, this is going to take a long time. So, and honestly, I know nothing about, like, editing. So I can't, like, edit 2 or more videos together. So, I think I'm just gonna make a part 2 to this video. Really, this is only like 3 minutes long so far. Mainly because, like, I don't want to make long videos, I guess. I don't know. So, I'm gonna make a part 2 in the VIP server, so guess I'll see you there. Bye.